Hello all. So today we are going to find out another method in the mental math technique that I had already discussed in my previous videos. Today we are going to find out an easier method of determining the squares that end with 5. Let me say, dear friends, I need to take the square of 35. So what I will be doing now? I will be writing 35 one above the other as shown. Here, the first method that you are going to follow is 5 times 5, that gives us 25. That will form the last two digit of the product. To find out the first two digit of the product, we will add 1 to this 3 and then multiply it with the above 3. So 1 plus 3 gives me 4, dear friends. 4 times 3 gives me 12. So that means 35 square will give us 1225. I think this is clear to you. Let us take another number, say 65 square. Now what I should do initially? Keep the number one above the other and now multiply it in the way that we have done already. That is 5 times 5 gives us 25. 1 plus 6 gives us 7. 7 times 6 gives us 42. So that means 65 square, dear children, is 4225. You can verify it. Now, let us see for which pair of numbers is this multiplication applicable. Children, this method is applicable for the numbers which have the right hand digit adding up to 10 and the left hand digit remaining same. So that means the right hand digit, children, 8 plus 2 must be 10 and the left hand digit should remain same, that is 2. Now can I use this method? Definitely. So what I should do initially? 8 times 2 gives me 16. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. 3 times 2 gives me 6. So the answer is 616 for the multiplication of 28 and 22. Now, let us see whether this method is applicable for any other pair of digits or not. So let me say I am going to take 73 by 77. I am multiplying 73 by 77. Can we apply the method, children? The answer is yes, because the right hand digit adds to 10 and left hand digit is same. So now 3 times 7 gives me 21 and 1 plus 7 gives me 8. 8 times 7 gives me 56. So the answer is 5621 for the product of 73 and 77. Verified, children, and we will meet in the next method. Thank you.